I'm Jess. Thanks for coming by to my channel. In today's video, we will be doing a little bit of cleaning and also decluttering. The last time I cleaned my vanity was like around 1 year ago, but since then I got lots of other makeup products and I didn't have the time to put them to their right place. So I just want to look at the makeup products that I have and take out some of them if they are too old, and also give some of them to my friends that I won't be using. I don't have those plastic boxes to organize my stuff, but I just have those silicone things that I got from IKEA. You will see them in the video. So yeah, I feel like I don't have enough space, and also the spaces I have on these silicones are not in a good size for some of my products. So I feel like I am a little bit restricted because of that. That's why I feel like I can't do a proper organization. And also I'm not good at organizing stuff. So before starting with cleaning, I will show you how my vanity looks like right now so that you can have an idea. So this is how my vanity looks like right now. I don't know how you call these, but I just use this to store my makeup stuff. I mean, it gets the job done, so I don't feel like getting and spending money for those little boxes. Right now, this is enough for me to store my makeup stuff, but who knows what will happen in the next year. So, and also, this is the place that I'm most worried about. Yeah. And also, these plastic thingies are so dirty. I will probably take all of them out and clean them and put the stuff again. That's how it looks like right now. So let's start with the cleaning. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see everything, but I am trying my best. This is my first time trying a thing like this, so please bear with me until I get used to how to record these stuff. And yeah, I guess we can start. I have so much stuff in here other than makeup because I don't have too many drawers to store my stuff. So yeah, you will see some stuff other than makeup in here. My mind is so confused right now. I'm sorry, I'm trying to figure out what to do too. The things that I will keep will stay in here, and I will put the things that I will throw away over there. I was about to talk about this one, and it exploded right in my hand. So yeah, I was thinking about throwing this one out anyways. So yeah. For some reason, this drawer doesn't open up too much. Like, I have same amount of storage behind that I don't see, and you can't see it either. I don't know what's the reason for that. I feel like I should be able to take this a little bit back, a little bit more, but I can't do that. So I have to reach like this, and I can't see anything. I talked about how patchy these two eyeliners from Mink, and I got a red eyeliner from Colourpop. So I feel like I should get rid of these because they are so patchy and they crumble as soon as I take them out from the tube. And yeah, you can even hear the sound of this one. No, I don't want to open this. These are going to the bin. This bronzer, Hoola, everyone talks about this. You probably know this one. For some reason, I don't like this one at all. I don't understand why this product is hyped this much. You know that I like the Physicians Formula bronzer, so I don't think that I will be using this one, and I feel like I should give this to one of my friends that can use the product better than me. So yeah, this one goes to a friend. By the way, if you are wondering, all of this setup and everything, this desk, the mirror, the lights, and even this plastic thing, I got all of these from IKEA, so you can find all of them in there. I just love IKEA, I don't know. Okay, so this one. I wanted to have a pinkish eyeshadow palette, but right now I have too many of those, and it is a new palette, so I will give this to one of my friends. I feel like they can use it better than me. This Wet n Wild primer, it's not even open yet, as you can see. For some reason I wanted to get a second one of this while I was using my first one, but then I realized that I don't like this product too much. I mean, it is a silicone base primer, so I don't enjoy the feeling of those kinds of primers on my face. So yeah, I mean, it's not even open, so I will give this to a friend. Some of you may know that I include this product in my least favorite products, kinda. So I don't use this palette, and yeah, it is a nice one, but I don't reach for this, so I will give this to my friends. I have Super Shock shadows from Colourpop in here, so I'm not sure if any of these are dried out. I will check them to see which ones are still working, and yeah, throw the ones that are dried. Okay, yeah, I found one. Like, as you can see, even though the color payoff is nice on my finger, when I try to swatch it, it doesn't come off. The color doesn't come off. I mean, yeah, I have to like scratch it a bit too much, so I don't think that this is performing nicely. And yeah, it's time to throw this one out. Okay, so luckily there is only one that doesn't work, so I don't have to throw too much from them. But I feel like I should give some of these to my friends because I don't reach for them too often, and keeping them in here will just cause them to dry up. So I guess it's better to give them. Normally I put this one like this to here, and now I am thinking about changing it, but at the same time this placement works for me. So maybe I can... Meh, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, I will put this one like this, and maybe I can turn the other one to the other direction to see what will work. Okay, so I guess you can see this part clearly right now. I will continue with the things in here, and yeah. Let's see. Okay, this is an eyeshadow palette that I don't use at all, so I will give this to my friend. I tried to use this product, but I feel like this isn't happening for me, so I will give this one too. I tried to finish this product up, but it's not happening, and I don't like the mist in this one. And also it burns my face, so I don't feel like it is right to use this one anymore. So I guess it's going to the trash. I will give this one to a friend too, since I don't like silicone-based primers, and no, I really don't like the feeling of this one. I mean, it is a nice primer, but it's just a personal preference. This is the Matte No Filter foundation from Colourpop. and I feel like this is way too matte for me, and I don't like how it looks on my skin, so I will just give this one to a friend. I like these Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink lipsticks, but this color is way too bright for me, and I don't like applying orange undertoned lipsticks, so I will give this one 2. And the same with this one. I feel like this is a little bit too light for me. I don't like wearing these shades, so this goes to a friend too. They kind of look like the same color. These two, Yes Is More and Sizzle, looks like the same color, and they will probably look the same on my lips, so I feel like I should give one of them to my friends, because there's no meaning to have like this close shades. And also I don't think that I will be wearing a pink shade like this, so yeah. Okay, so I will throw out the things that I plan to and put the ones that I plan to give my friends to a box. So after that we will see what I have and then figure out the organization. Okay, so these are the things that I have. I already put the Colourpop 12 pen eyeshadow palettes in here because I feel like this is the best place for these. I mean, the size is nice enough for me to see all of them, and also all of them fits in here. I try to put these ones to here, like stack them up, but the drawer doesn't close, like the same happened with this one, so we are left with these. And I guess that is the final result. I changed the places of a couple of things, and here is the new version of this place. I am still not sure about some of the things placements. I might change some things after the video. I have 3 empty places in here right now, so I guess I can take these foundations over here. And yeah, I don't like not seeing my products, and I didn't want to put my lipsticks over there, and I tried to put them over here, but since I have 2 different designs with the packaging and stuff, I didn't like the look of it, so I ended up putting my Colourpop lipsticks in here, and these are the ones that I tend to use most. And here are some of the other lipstick products that I like to use in my videos or in my daily makeups. And other than that, I don't use the ones in here too much, so I am fine with that right now, but I would much prefer to have it in a clear glass or, I don't know, clear box or something. These are the setting sprays and like spray products. And there is my highlighters over here. This place is better. I mean, yeah, they have their own places kinda, but I feel like this place is still a complete disaster. And yeah, I had to put my primers right in here, which isn't something that I'm happy about, but I don't have any place and I want to use these places because they look a little bit more organized in that way. And yeah, I guess that's it for now. I am happy that I was finally able to do this cleaning, but at the same time, I'm not too happy with how it went and how I organized the stuff. So I am still thinking about the other ways that I can bring all of these together. Also, let me know if you like these kinds of videos. Mine wasn't too much of a relaxing video. I know it's a little bit chaotic in here and I'm not the best person to do these kinds of stuff, but I tried my best. If you have any recommendations about how to put stuff together or anything that I should get to organize my stuff, please let me know down in the comment section below. I need them. And yeah, if you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.